How to center the text vertically and horizontally on Google Docs. Hello everyone, and let's get started. In order to center the text vertically and horizontally, here are the process. So first of all, go to Google Docs and then get in a table. Insert one table in such a way that it can be included as a paper or letter size. Increase it and then start typing. Once you do so, you can now click on the Justify and set it to center. Once the text alignment is set to center, after that, click on the Format. Once you click on Format, go to the table and then on Table Properties. Once you tap on Table Properties, it will open some of the contents on the right side of the screen. On the table, you will see Alignment Center. You have the option to increase the left indent by increasing the centimeter or the points. Similarly, you can set it to the middle as well. And just by that, you have now centered the text vertically and horizontally in Google Docs. After that, you can remove the table border and you are good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.